Hi there again, Tim Ryan for Volt Lighting. Today I want to show you how to install the brass deck light. Pretty simple installation, we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here we've got a pretty typical application where we have a post light on the deck or a post light on the dock, and we really want to get some light out on the deck. Now how do we get the wire down through the post and out the back and get it mounted so it's nice and clean? Well, that's what we're going to show you today. It's really not too hard. You can do this on your own.
First, remove the cap from the post. Once removed, you'll see the slots for running the wire down the post.
Okay, as we get started, there's a couple things you're going to need to have as far as tools go. In your pack with your deck light, you should have had a small bag of screws. We're going to need those because we're going to need to attach that deck light to that post. A couple different kinds of bits. We've got a machine bit. This is more of a smooth cut. And I like to use these on the outside of these posts because it just makes a little bit cleaner hole. And this one right here is, we'll give you close-ups on these too. This is a wood auger bit, and that's great for digging right inside when you get that wood post inside, chunking out a little bit of that wood so we can feed that wire right up in and right out. This is electrical fiberglass rod. You may not have one of these around. You can use a coat hanger, use anything you can fish down the inside of that post. So about anything will work. I like these. They're light, flexible, you can get in a lot of places. You can pick these up at pretty much any home supply store. And then shovel, our favorite friend. Time to get to work.
Before you begin drilling into your post, it's a good idea to determine where your connections will be located and how you're going to get the wire out of the post. Remove the screws from the railing bracket. This will free up the sleeve, making it much easier for us to access our wire. Mark the location of the hole you will be drilling. Remember that the wire exits from the bottom of the fixture, so keep that in mind when deciding exactly how high or low on the post you would like the fixture to be placed. Next, drill the wire entrance hole on the face of the post with a 1/2 inch machine bit. Once mounted, our fixture will cover this hole. Now grab your wood auger bit and start drilling down at a slight angle towards the hole you just opened up. This will core out an opening to join with the other entrance hole. Now with a shovel or a flat spade, you want to slip it right underneath the post and gently pry it upwards, exposing a 2 to 3 inch gap. Cut off a piece of wire about 10 feet long and begin feeding it down the post until you feel it hit the bottom. By lifting up the post and creating a 2 to 3 inch gap, we can easily pull the wire through. I'll now once again take my 1/2 inch drill bit and drill a hole right underneath the deck boards to create an access slot we can run our wire through. Here's a quick tip for you. Put a slight bend in the end of the wire. This will help when guiding the wire back out the slot we just drilled. After you get it through, you want to make sure you pull out all the slack. Now push the post down flush to the deck. Remove the faceplate from the deck light so it can be mounted to the post. Insert the end of the wire into the hole and feed it up through the post. Check the orientation of the deck light to make sure that the top is facing up. Next, insert 2 screws to secure the deck light to the post. Install the halogen or LED lamp and put the faceplate back on. Reattach the railing bracket to the post using the screws we pulled out earlier. Make the connections in the top, and finally reinstall the cap back on top of the post.
There we have our finished deck light. Not too bad of a project. Hopefully you picked up a few tips and tricks today that will help you with your installation. If you have any questions about this installation or installation on any other types of lights that we offer, please give us a call or you can contact us directly through voltlighting.com. Thanks for watching.